This video is supported by SL Integrated. If you're interested in this computer or any other computer products, please check out the links in the description in this post.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another video of Gaming Freak. So today we have something a bit special. We're doing a shop build in collaboration with our great friends here in SL Integrated. So today we're going to be building a gaming PC and we're going to find out the specs with our friend here, Andy, the head of technical of SL Integrated, and he's going to guide us towards our possible build here, a gaming build. Kita nak build like a pretty solid gaming PC ya. So anggaran budget dia kemungkinan dalam 4,000 to 5,000 memang like all the way ya. You know, all the latest games lah, PUBG, GTA dan sebagainya, all latest games lah. Budget kita nak dalam lingkungan 4,500 to 5,000 ringgit. Okay. Okay, so we have the specs, so we're going to go inside dalam kedai ni and we're going to check out all the specs that Andy has for us. Alright, so follow on. Let's go into the store. So korang actually banyak pilihan and actually I can see from here. There's lots of options. Alright, so you have a list, you said?
Okay, I have a list. We'll do assemble for you.
Okay.
See the spec.
Okay, cantik. So Andy sekarang is getting out the list untuk the build that we're making. Budget around 4,500 sampai 5,000. We're looking to make like a mid-end game PC, something that can take down games like PUBG and whatnot. Alright, so back to the list. And what do we have here?
Okay, saya akan bagi you satu i5 8 So saya yang pilih kan yang giga budget 370 Auros yang itu RGB. Dia RGB function semua. So dengan 18GB HyperX. So there's M.2 256. So and the power supply give you the 700 RGB also.
Okay. That's by Thermaltake, right?
Yes, Thermaltake. Then give you the casing.
Kita pakai the Gaming Freak Hubble, right? Nano 5C. Okay,
lepas tu 1060 itu bagi yang you jalan itu PUBG semua.
Yes, exactly.
Memang yang
I know those
lah,
games
dia
are
kan
crazy.
banyak high, so dia boleh normal under you punya budget.
Yes, definitely.
So lagi tu Halo Fan tu semua yang bagi dia tu kipas semua yang cantik lagi, RGB semua.
And then kita pakai water cooling. Macam cakap about it, Thermaltake punya water 3.0.
Yes.
Okay. Ini yang 120, it's not the 360, is it? 120 mm. Single kan?
Single.
Okay.
Single one.
Alright, so let's start picking up the parts. So okay guys, we're back here with Andy. So he has all the stuff, as you can imagine. It's fast. You know, SL Integrated people are fast. You tell them what you want. You tak perlu jadi gaming master or PC master pun. You cakap game apa, budget berapa, and they'll get to you as quick as possible. So sekarang ni kita have all the parts. Kita akan pergi to the next store, which is a partner store, CS Computer Shop. Kita akan jump immediately into building the computer. So Andy, you ready to do this?
Okay.
Alright, awesome. Let's get to it. So okay guys, kita sekarang dekat CS Computer Shop. We have all the specs and all the items listed. So we'll show the items here. We'll have a little title card that shows. Kalau nak tengok all the specs specifically, you can press pause, check them out. These parts, I tell you, they're the best. Adakah dia paling terbaik untuk harga tu? Around
around ini dia itu memang dalam you punya budget. So confirm boleh jalan you itu main game macam tadi you cakap PUBG ke GTA 5. Memang sikit mobile game Dota 2 memang semua boleh jalan sampai high. Yes, jika PUBG dengan GTA 5 memang semua high resolution ke atas.
Okay, that's very perfect.
Macam GTA 1060 memang satu sekarang yang itu range semua. 1060 dia ini saya bagi you 6GB.
Yes,
6GB memang yang cukup yang you laju semua.
Yes.
PUBG semua. Dan saya bagi you satu i5 8 gen nya itu processor.
Exactly.
Yes, dan bagi you satu seperti ini, saya bagi ini memang pun dekat you dalam budget tu.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, dan ini memang function bagi nanti you main PUBG ke nanti jangan senang panas, processor tak akan angkat murah itu kipas. Memang angkat satu pula.
Yes, of course. Itu kira macam required. If you are going to buy a processor yang mahal, you have to get a water.
Yes.
Anyway, so let's get right into the build and see you guys at the end of 10 minutes. So guys, that has been the most intense build we've done so far. After almost what? Sejam, an hour. About 2 hours of hardcore assembly from the AIO to the GPU to the fan to the cable management. Do the honors, Andy. There you go. That looks amazing, doesn't it? Even the motherboard phone lights up, the RAM slot lights up. We changed the mode on the fans. Wow. Okay, and that looks amazing. So Andy, the PC right now berapa kita looking at harga untuk PC ni?
Harga ni sekarang, ini semua sudah buat, dia nak harga atas semua.
So around 4,999 ringgit for this entire build. We're talking about a 1060 i5 8400, and then we are talking about 8GB of Kingston HyperX memory at DDR4, and then the mobile obviously is apa
Z300.
Okay, nice. So for only 4,999 you can get this entire rig here at SL Computer, which was hand built by the both of us and our lovely team of AVF people as well. This has been Aiman for Gaming Freak, and this is Andy. Thank you so much, Andy, on behalf of AVF and Gaming Freak. Thank you so much for allowing us to do this video and do this special build. You can find SL Integrated NCS Computer Shop in Brem Mall out here in Kupang. We'll tag them in this post, or you can find them on Google Maps as well. So this has been the video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next one.